Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. Wonderful day. Wonderful day to be trucking. So as you've seen, we made our delivery this morning in Memphis, Tennessee. And like I mentioned yesterday, we were pre-dispatched. So let me go ahead and give you the details of this run. This is actually going to be picking up in Iowa and going to California. This was a 586 mile deadhead for a 1,702 mile run. And this is going to be 3 pieces at 6,000 pounds. And this is also temperature with a temperature range of 55 to 65 with a set point of 60 Fahrenheit. And this is also going to be hazmat. I believe it's paint that we're picking up. So yeah, we've, like I said, just made delivery. Now we are doing our deadhead. So today's just going to be pretty much a day of driving. Like I said, it's almost 600 miles. So not a whole lot going to be going on today. Just driving down the road. Wonder what the weather is like where we're going. Hey Siri. What's the weather like in Knoxville, Iowa?
It's currently cloudy and 28 degrees in Knoxville, Iowa. Expect snow starting in the morning and sleet in the afternoon with mixed conditions for the rest of the day. Today's high will be 37 degrees and the low will be 28.
Sorry, yes.
I'm sorry I asked. Snow. I thought we were over the snow. Like, look, right now, you would think that it is springtime. Everything is just blue skies, sunny. Yeah, there's some flooding, but everything is so pretty. And then she's got to tell me that we're going to hit snow tomorrow.
Today.
So yeah, guys, Don's over here driving right now. Morning, Don.
Morning, everyone.
I'm just over here riding. We are going to go for a little while, and we thought about stopping to grab some breakfast. We're looking to see if we can find a Cracker Barrel. So if we do find one, we'll let you know if we stop. So we'll check in with everyone in a little bit.
So stay on the edge of your seat.
Guys, we just pigged out at Cracker Barrel.
I didn't forget.
You pigged out.
I had a sensible breakfast. I did.
Okay, I pigged out. Got to keep my weight up, otherwise I'll blow away.
Sorry. I get some in my throat.
I am going to beat him when this camera goes off. Go ahead and call the cops now.
I'm not saying that.
Oh, whatever. Anyway. So we're done eating. Don's done driving. I am going to take over.
Woohoo!
Get us on up to Iowa.
Going to Knoxville.
And then we'll be done driving for the day. We've got another 400 miles to go.
This is going to be the day.
So we should be there. It's only 11 o'clock local time, so we'll be there this evening, and then we'll have the evening to relax before we pick up our next run, which is not until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So without further ado, let's roll. What's going on, everyone? So just been driving down to 200 miles. I stopped here at a little small rest area right at the Missouri line, almost into I forget where I'm at. I stopped this little rest area here just to do a 30-minute break and use the restroom, and I probably would have had enough time to make it all the way into Iowa, but I would have been cutting it really, really close. So I figured I'd go ahead and just kill my 30-minute break and get that out of the way, so that way I don't have to worry about that. But yep, just that's about all I'm doing. It's just a little bitty small rest area here, and we got a little bit of blowing flurries and snow. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up. I'm on my action cam, so it's got a smaller sensor. I don't know if it'll pick that up, but yeah, it's cooler. I think we're probably about 34 degrees right now, and definitely a big change from being down in Memphis. Coming from South Carolina and Memphis, it was sunny and blue skies and warm, and I'm wearing shorts, and I stopped here to get out to use the restroom, and it was quite cold. Not freezing, but it was cool. So yep, not a whole lot going on. I'm just going to finish knocking out my break here, and then we will be getting back on the road and getting it on up to Iowa. And I figure we should be there probably about 6 o'clock local time, and then we'll just chill the rest of the evening until we may pick up tomorrow. So I will check in with everyone in just a little bit. So I turned the camera off, and then it just started pouring sleet. So yeah, that's not snow. That is actual sleet. It's coming down pretty good. Look at the windshield wiper. Fun, fun, fun. I get to have some fun driving. Hey everyone, so we made it to where we are stopping for the night. So we will be picking up bright and early in the morning at 7 a.m. Just gonna chill the rest of the night. It was just another day of driving all day, so Yep, I'm just gonna chill tonight. I'll probably be on the computer and do a little bit of editing. I think Don's just gonna watch some TV and rest up and get ready for our trip to California tomorrow. So guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We really do appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying the daily videos for the week. And if you don't mind, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, would love to have you along for the journey. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the little bell icon next to it so that way you get notified of any new videos that are posted. As always, keep those wheels a turning, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a good night.